While we were out shopping, my son fell in love with this little gem. I wondered if it was because it matched his shirt, but we're going to make it match his room. So here's the desk that I purchased from the thrift shop. You'll notice that it has a small drawer and it has a tray that pulls out to write on. When purchasing furniture, oftentimes you may find a desk and a chair, but you don't always find a desk and chair that go together. So today I'm going to show you how we can use paint to make this desk and chair that does not go together look like a complete set. My first step is to remove the green paint from the desk. I have applied citrus strip to the desk because it's non-toxic and it works really well. You'll notice that there's some bubbling that occurs on the desk, and then I just simply take my paint scraper and just simply remove the paint. One of the things that I like to do after I have stripped the furniture is to wash it down using a wire brush to ensure that I've gotten all the citrus strip off so that it doesn't affect my paint coat that I applied next. Here is the chair that I will be redoing for the desk. You'll notice that I also applied citrus strip to the chair to get the varnish off of the chair so that I can repaint it. My last step is to go ahead and paint the desk. I'm using the paint from the accent wall in the space themed bedroom. I'm going to use paint to make the desk match the chair for a more cohesive look. And here's the final look. By painting the parts on the desk and the chair the same colors, it allows the desk and the chair to look like a complete set. So like, for example, the legs on the desk and the legs on the chair are both painted blue, making the desk and the chair look like a complete set. Here's the desk and the chair in the bedroom. For more inexpensive design inspiration, be sure to spend your weekends with Winnie. Bye!